anything.
Still shaking, no, look down there.
You can do anything.
See one. I'm gonna scream.
Nice.
Oh, spiders! Welcome back, gang. We are having a cooking video this week and we are making a Cajun minced pasta. I'm just about to blend up some tomatoes, so let's get that open. Right, so back to the tomatoes. We are fully mashed up. We're going to add some chili and garlic seasoning in there. We're going to add some thyme. We're going to add some onion granules, some cayenne pepper, some Italian seasoning, and finally some smoked paprika. Plenty of that going in there. You just want to mix all this up and mix it all in, and we're going to add this to the mince once the mince is done. In the mince, I'm going to be adding some more of these ingredients and also the actual Cajun seasoning that I've got here as well. Probably add a bit more in there, maybe some salt and pepper to taste as well. Let's see how we get on. Right, we've got the mince browning off. I'm going to add some garlic and some paprika and some Cajun seasonings to this. Let's get this browned off. Right, all my mince is browned off now. I've got my pasta on the boil and I'm going to add in my tomato. I'm going to be adding some Philadelphia to this as well. Leave this simmering now for about 10 minutes. Right, so we've added some more Cajun seasoning and we've added half a pack of Philadelphia with chives. So we're just going to leave this while we wait for the pasta, and then we'll get it all mixed in together. It smells absolutely delicious already. Can't wait to serve it up. Yum, yum, yum. And there we have it, all mixed in. Let's get it dished up. Well, there we have it, dished up. Absolutely lovely. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Share it out. show the love. Thanks all for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.